If you've been looking for a simple way of how to start saving in real gold and real silver, today I'm going to show you how with Sound Money and Fractional Gold, it's going to make it possible for you to create a free account and start with as little as $1 today and start building a sound, secure future for yourself and your family. Hello, everybody. My name is Rick Fronek, and welcome to a special Sunday edition of Gold and Silver Stacking Saturdays. And I wanted to share this video because this is very important information for the average everyday person who's looking to start saving in gold and silver, but may not be able to buy the full ounce of gold or the full ounce of silver. So this is something that this will pertain to everybody who's watching this video. This is a very important video, and I'm going to break it down and actually show you how with the Sound Money and Fractional Gold, you can actually start you can create your account today for free. It doesn't cost you anything at all to create your account. And then also how you can even, if you wanted to just purchase $1 worth of gold or silver, you could do that today. But the main thing about this presentation is just to share the information so that everybody out there realizes that they can save in the form of silver and gold. So I'm really excited to share this information with everybody. And I wanted to preface this that, over the course of Gold and Silver Stacking Saturdays, my core mission has always been trying to help everyday people start saving in real gold and silver in a simple, affordable way. Now, this is something that I've been very passionate about. So those of you who are subscribed to my channel realize this, and you've been watching my videos over the course of time where I share information that everybody should know about gold and silver and, some insight to give you better information so you can kind of filter out all the noise you see online and here in the media and that. So that's why I'm really excited to share this with everybody today. And I'm actually going to, in this video, this is what I'm going to cover. I got it written out here. I'm going to kind of share with you what's changed, which the core concept of Sound Money and Fractional Gold has not, but I'll go over this. What's changed, what's stayed the same, and how Sound Money works, and basically how fractional gold and silver ownership works, and how you can start small and build over time. And what's really exciting about this opportunity here that I'm sharing with everybody, and I'll have these links below the video, so if you want to click on them to check them out there, they both lead to the same page, but there's two different ways you can go about accessing it. But this is available in over 250 countries across the globe. So this is something that, and I'll walk you through exactly how you can get started, and I'll share these landing pages with you so you know what you're going to be looking at when you go to create your free account. And this is something where I highly encourage you to check it out, whether you just set up your account today and then down the road or something you do something, or if you go ahead and start saving with as little as $1 today. That's what's really exciting about this is there's no minimums as to what you need to start with, where a lot of times when you go to different companies online, some of the gold and silver dealers online, they all have their minimum purchases, or you have to buy in specific coin amounts, whether it's like gold, it could be a 10th ounce, quarter ounce, half ounce, or a 1 ounce coin or bar or something. And same with silver. A lot of times you can buy some of the smaller denominational portions of silver, but at the same time, they all have their minimums. And if you want to have it shipped to you, there's additional costs and everything. And what I'm going to share with everybody in this video is what's all involved with this. Okay, so this is it's really a great opportunity. So what I want to say is, okay, so what's changed? Okay, so initially over the course of the past couple years here, I've been sharing a lot of information about 7K Metals, and they're a phenomenal company, and they're the ones who actually kind of broke through the ice with the Sound Money and the Fractional Gold. They're companies that they work with that give their 7K members the ability to save through Sound Money and Fractional Gold. Okay, but so moving forward, 7K does still exist. So some people are out there saying, did they close? No, they still exist. They just changed they're changing their format from having it being a membership company to where you have to pay a membership fee to where it's just more of like a straight affiliate type business. And more information will be coming out on that soon. And I'll share that information as well when it comes out. But with Sound Money and Fractional Gold, this is that's actually kind of, it stayed the same. This is something it was incorporated back at the beginning of last year. And it's something that gives people the option to save in as little as $1 at a time if they want. But also, with Sound Money, how it works is basically you incrementally add up to whether you're going for a 1 ounce gold bar or a 1 ounce gold coin or even a 100 ounce silver bar. You can incrementally add to your account a little at a time. Okay. And so there's what I'm going to share with you. I'm going to actually walk you through these links. Okay. So what's going to So let me skip back to here real quick. But what is it's exciting about this is that, you can do it a little bit at a time, and you also have the option to liquidate it whenever you want and have it converted back into whatever country fiat currency you have and have it go back to your bank account. That's what's so nice about this is if you're not able to, get up to a full ounce of gold or something, say, and you had an emergency expense come up, you could actually liquidate it back to cash for your country and send it back to your bank account all within a couple of seconds. Okay, so that's what's really cool about it. But like I said, it's in over 250 countries across the globe right now. And so what I'm going to do is here is I'm going to take you exactly through these links here. Let's see. Let me see if I can get this to work. There we go. Okay, so with the sound money one, this is the fractional gold one, which let me get this down over here. This fractional gold link that I have there, that'll actually redirect to this page as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. So when you're doing this, there's a button that says get started today, but it actually, I encourage everybody to take a look at it. It's got, your menu up here at the top, and it says turn everyday dollars into real wealth you can trust by buy, hold, and liquidate real physical metal held in secure vaults with transparent pricing, one-click cash liquidity to your bank account, and delivery available when you want possession. So if you didn't want to actually just keep it in the vault and have it sent to you, you can have it the silver or the gold shipped to your home or wherever you're at. Okay, so this is what the landing page looks like. Okay, it's free to start. And basically this is what your dashboard would look like after you create your account. You're going to have your gold bars, silver bars, gold coins, or silver coins. So you have four different options that you can save in. And you could, like I said, if you wanted to do like a dollar, this is like their example on their landing page. Um, but you could buy a dollar at a time if you want, or if you wanted to set it up, where there's a feature where you can set up to have, say, like $15, $20 a month come out of your bank account or however you have it attached, or credit card. And then have it go into your Sound Money wallet. Okay, where actually every time that you log into your dashboard, it'll show you the exact current price that second of what gold and silver is on the market. Okay, and so it'll reflect those prices as well. So, like say for example, you bought, let's see, $100 worth of silver. And that was bought at the price of $80 an ounce. I'll just use that as an example. It'll incrementally have that percentage of silver into your silver account, okay, whether it's the bars or the coins. And say the stock, the price of silver goes up over 100 again, which it will eventually at some point this year. From what I've seen and what I've heard. But when it goes up over that, if you wanted to liquidate that $100 that you bought, that percentage that you bought, you could go ahead and just sell it back to convert it to cash and back to your bank account, and then take the difference as far as the profits go or whatever. So it's all up to you, however you want to do it. But this is what it looks like. Okay, so you can choose the four different types. You can do a little bit at a time, however long you want to do it, or you can keep it there, and then you can request delivery once you have the full bar or whatever, or depending on how you're saving. Okay. So in this case here, there are some, it goes through the fractional, the security of it, because it's once you make your purchase, that incremental amount of gold or silver is allocated for you under, your name in a vault. Okay, so it's something that gets stored. It's stored in a Vault Next vault, and they do have weekly audits from different companies to make sure that everything that they have on the books is allocated to the right people. Okay, so in this case here, it'll actually in your dashboard, it'll show you the different, it'll keep records of all your transactions, whether you bought a dollar at a time, or like this guy bought uh 0.8291 ounces. So then here's the case here, like depending on how you go ahead and do it, it'll keep track of your records so everything is there. So if you ever needed it for tax purposes or just for record keeping, you can always download that as well. But like I said, start free and build with confidence. So I'm going to go ahead and click this. It's got some testimonial down here too if you want to read through everything. But I encourage you to take a look at this and check it out. Okay, so we're going to click start my free account. Oops, you know what? Let me do this real quick. I do want to show this. Sorry about that. Uh, so here is the basis for the free account. What they're trying to do, like 7K's initial message has always been to make saving in the form of gold and silver an option for the average everyday person, regardless of where you're at in the world, what your income is, and to always give you that option to start saving. So now with Sound Money and this fractional gold, you do not have to have a membership fee in order to do that. You can start for free. And so there's two different types of accounts, okay? So with the free account, like some people are like, well, I'm not sure if I want to do this or not. You can create your free account and it's $0 to start. And with the $0, you can, buy as little as a dollar today and test it out. But you can vault up to $500 in real physical metal. Okay, so it's insured and audited regularly. It's got down here one-click liquidity when you need cash, and you can request physical delivery from vaulted holdings. So you can start your free account. And what they're doing, because they want to make this an easy entry point for everybody. With the free account, you get storage up to $500 worth of value, and after that, then if you're planning on doing this for the long haul, or if you want to do it, even purchase more than $500 at the beginning or whatever, there's a one-time upgrade, okay? And this is something where, like, I encourage everybody to create your free account because, like I said, it costs you nothing, and you can start today. But then even just try it out up until you get to the $500, and then if you want to continue moving forward, you could always upgrade down the road, okay? But like with this, it's a one-time 199 payment, and that basically um it increases your vault holdings up to an infinite amount. So if you went up to like $100,000 or $1 million or something like that, you would not be paying any storage fees. And that's what's actually really huge about Sound Money and Fractional Gold, is that you don't have to pay monthly fees for your storage. So like if you did save in a lot of gold and silver and you went up to this upgraded account at 199, you would never pay monthly storage fees. And I did a video previously in the past where I compared the different companies and what they charge for storage fees. And some of them you're paying hundreds of thousands of dollars a year just to store your metal. Here with Sound Money and Fractional Gold, you would never have to pay for a monthly fee. So you would have that one-time upgrade fee, and then that would basically store your money or your gold and silver as far as how much you want to save down the road, okay, infinitely. So it will never expire. So it's a one-time fee, okay? So let's go ahead and do this. Start your free account. So what you're going to do is you're going to put in your best email address and then your phone number. So like here, it's recognized that I'm from the United States, okay? And so what you can do is it has all these countries. I mean, South Africa, Somalia, Senegal, Saudi Arabia, Russia, Poland, Philippines, Palestine, Panama. Just go through the countries and see, if your country is on there. I think the only one that's not on there, well, there's like I said, it's around 250 countries, and they even have China in here. So this is something that everybody can do. Okay, so just check your country, even Afghanistan, and just kind of go through. It's alphabetized A through Z, and then go ahead and click your country. Let's say I'm not in Estonia, but it'll change it to your country flag, and you enter your phone number. Okay. So, in that way, let's just do this. I don't want to do this because I already have an account. So you would do that, and then it would, let's see, let's try, uh, and this actually, this email address here, if you ever want to reach out with me, questions, you can, rick@silvergoldsolutions.org. We'll go with 30. On. Okay, and then just hit continue. We'll see what happens. Okay. So then basically you would enter your name and your first name and last name and then your display name. So this is something like up here you see my mine is Rick F. Okay, so you would put your display name as what you would want to show in your account. Okay, so it could be your phone number, however you want to do it, and then in this case here, your username. That's going to be your. You can do it two ways. You can, with this, just create a username, and it'll actually you can change it if you need to down the road. But I would, pick your display name for your account, which you could probably use your full name, and then your username. That's probably going to be your best thing for sharing it with other people if you wanted to do that. Okay. And then you would hit click continue. So that's how easy it is. Okay. So, and what I want to do here is I'm going to, let's see here, see if I get out of this. Uh, Let me close that. There we go. Okay. Let me do a new share here. Uh, Sorry about this. So I'm going to show you my account. All right. Whoops. Let's see. All right. So this is one of my test accounts. This is one of the accounts that I've used over the course of the last several months whenever I do like an example to make a purchase through Sound Money. So it's going to be your wealth builder, which is powered by Sound Money. And when you go to buy assets, you can select your asset. So it's Silver Eagle, Silver Bar, Gold Bar, and it'll show you the market purchase price at that time, not the spot price, but the purchase price. Okay, so if you wanted to do, let's say, 1 ounce of US Silver Eagle, and I wanted to do $10. You know what? Actually, let's do this. Let's do gold. And I'll actually do this right now. And because there is a way, like if you do it through your debit or credit card, there's going to be like a small percentage fee. But there is a way for you to set it up to have money put into an account to actually just, you do that ahead of time. And then as the markets, whatever you want to buy, you can actually have it done to where it could, take, pay for it without. So I have like a 7K cash balance. So when I take it from that, so see there, it eliminates the processing fee. If I used a bank account or credit card, somebody would charge the 30 cents there for the $10. And then I'm just going to go with, uh, yeah, 1 ounce US Gold Eagle, buy price is that, and complete the purchase. And it's submitting. Okay. And there it is. It'll show you, um, Vault Max Care Sound Money, Rigby, Idaho. Subtotal is $10. And ordered on March 8th at 7 p.m. So that's exactly the time that I'm ordering this right now, since 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, and it'll show like this. So it'll actually keep track in all your records and everything. So I did want to, I'm really excited to share this because I think this is uh, a great opportunity. And, this is something, if you have any questions, you can reach out to me at rick@silverandgoldsolutions.org. And I will actually have these links. Oops, there we go. I will actually have these two links below in the comment section for you to check them out. Either one's going to redirect to the Sound Money one. So whether you go through the Sound Money one or you go through the Fractional Gold, it will take you to that landing page that I just showed you. So I encourage everyone to check it out. It's something that if you've been wanting to start saving in gold and silver, but weren't sure how to go about doing it because you had this like I've said, a lot of people have the misconception that they can't afford it, but with Sound Money and Fractional Gold, now you can create your free account. So there's no barrier there, and you can start saving even with like $1 or two today. So even if you just create your account and, test it out. So what's kind of really cool about it too is every time you go into your account in your back office, it's going to show you, say if you bought $10, like I just bought that $10 worth of gold, say if that was a new account. So every time I would log into my account, it would show you based on the current market value what that percentage of gold that I bought, what it's doing. So like if, the markets go up $200 or whatever, it'll reflect that increased percentage in that $10. So it would be like, say, $10.50 or something. I'm using that as an example. But every time you log in, it'll show you the value of your current assets that you have. So this is like it's really a great opportunity to, if you're a beginner at this, it's a great opportunity to start and actually get a feel for it. And then also, if you're more experienced and you purchase a lot on a regular basis, I'd encourage you to take the upgraded membership if you're over that $500 mark. And that way you can actually have your gold and silver stored without any additional fees. And like I said, that could go up if you have like 100,000 or $1 million worth of something. You would never pay any additional fees for storage. That's all covered with the Sound Money account. That's what's really beneficial about this. So I hope everybody got some great insight from this video. I did want to have this, I did want to shoot this today because this is very important information that everybody should have. And if you have any questions, reach out to me at rick@silverandgoldsolutions.org. And then also, you can comment below on the YouTube video. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, go ahead and subscribe because after this coming week, I have an event to go to, so I will not be available to shoot the video on this coming Saturday, but the following week I will pick up and also I'll try to shoot some videos in between now and the event I have to go to. So I encourage everybody to take a look at Sound Money. And if you have any questions, reach out to me. And I look forward to speaking to everybody again soon. I really appreciate your time, and I hope you got some great insight from this video. And I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough. And after, like I said, if there's any issues or questions that you might have, please feel free to reach out. Thank you, everybody, and I want to appreciate your time. And I hope everybody has a fantastic week ahead. And we'll talk to everybody again soon. Take care.